Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
For April 2022 examinations, altogether 18,112 students had appeared, out of which 16,783 passed, and the pass percentage is 92.66%. This is for regular candidate. Gender-wise, once again the girls, they are showing a good performance. Girls, 9,251 appeared, 8,750 passed, giving percentage of 94.58%. Boys, 8,861 appeared, 8,033 passed, giving the percentage of 90.66. Overall percentage is 92.66. Sports merit marks policy, under which 349 students they had availed this facility. That means 349, those are the sports person, and out of which 9 students they passed this examination because of this sports merit marks policy, giving a overall percentage of these candidates because of this sports marks benefit is almost 0.05, not even 0.1%, less than 1% it is. Supplementary examination will be conducted by the board for those candidates with remark needs improvement or whoever has withdrawn because of several reasons. So this examination will be in the last week of June. There is the advantage, there is also disadvantage. So both the ways it is there. But we feel that to certain extent this has increased, mainly because of there was a less portion at the first term. First term it was only 50%, second term it was 50%. So they could focus only on the 50% first and second one also. And our observation also says that it was like for them it was easy, like 50% portion. Not it was they weren't supposed to study the entire syllabus and answer the examination.
So it is a plan to continue
This year at least we will continue, but next year we'll study both these results and accordingly we'll decide.